Are you looking for pistol sound effects? But how they feel with gameplay? It costs less than your daily Starbucks. Just buy it.